Ever wonder what a factory of the future looks like? We're here in Ulsan, Korea, and we have got very special privileges to film inside the factory. Actually, we are the first YouTuber that's ever been allowed to film in here. Let's go check out the future. And again, just even the building entrance itself is beyond expectation. I gotta get one of these for home. Safety first. Now we ready. Top secret access just for you guys only. So in case I forgot to mention, we're in Ulsan right now, which is a port town. And here they manufacture loaders, excavators, a whole gamut. And it's 80% automated. And that's why it's known as Hyundai's Smart Factory. And of course there you can see we got an excavator cab and the beginnings of the hydraulics. It's a little loud in here, so I'll do the best I can.
But here, look at the machine. This is all the made from the photo. From the employer from the Hyundai. You can see when you come closer, you can see the photo of the all employee from here.
Oh, okay, they made the excavator artwork out of all the employees. Wow, check this out. So the frames and many other components, I'm sure too, right around these little robot carts. Okay, so correction, it's actually 90% autonomous here. This is insane, you guys. Look how few people there are in this giant factory. Everything else is fully AI. Really, really amazing. So these guys are in kind of the control center. So they're watching over the entire plant. So this will be the nucleus. So they're watching everything as it is being produced down on the floor. So each one of these lines has a different size excavator right now, anywhere from 10 to 20 to 30 ton. And as they make their way down the line, you got a finished excavator on the other end. So obviously right here is where they're doing all the boom and lower frame assembly. And then everything's carried on these tracks right on down the line. And then that computer station that we saw upstairs is making sure that everything stays on schedule, looking for any jam ups or any issues. And I reckon even though the plant's 90% automated, they still rely on manual labor too. Then behind this safety glass, there's all your robot welders in there going to town. There's your upper assembly welding. This place has got it going on, y'all. Never seen anything like it. Oh, that's so cool. Jimmy, is that thing checking the welds, you reckon?
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Wow.
Because it's not doing the welding here, right? This is
No, it's just, I think it's just an
inspection of it.
It's just checking the welds. Probably with
like with a heat sensor
or X-ray, yeah.
X-ray.
Wow. And so here they're using a proprietary oxidation technique to protect the metal. While they also told us it's very environmentally friendly and reduces VOCs or volatile organic compounds that's released into the atmosphere. So it's not only crazy efficient, it's better for the environment. So all of the components are stored in a vertical warehouse, and then robots grab the piece, whatever's needed, brings it down to the automated guided vehicles and takes it to the line. This place is unreal. Right, HG? Right? Right. And this fella's installing the rollers on the chassis. man, that's incredible. So they were also saying that now that, you know, more and more stuff is robotic and automated, the safety has increased and the injury level has gone down. Makes sense. That is cool, man. So look, the excavators are just riding on tracks as they move down to different working stations. Got some classical music playing in here. This place is amazing. Extremely efficient, and that's how they're able to kick out so many machines out of this plant. So obviously now we're over here at the performance testing zone. So as soon as it comes off the line, they bring it in here, put it through a rigorous test, get it warmed up, make sure there's no leaks, everything's tight, and then it's ready to go. Look at the amount of equipment we got out here ready to go to its new home, folks. Got your moped parking over here, parking garage that my truck would not fit into. And look at that big girl right there. Wow.
You can ride the...
You understand? Yeah,
okay.
I understand. He said we can take a picture, Taylor, but we can't ride them. Man, that is huge. I think we need one. What y'all think? Yeah, I'll take a couple of those, It would be nice, wouldn't it? So it really makes you appreciate these machines a lot more when you're able to come to the factory and see what all goes into it. And the fella who started Hyundai, we've been learning about his history too. And I'll probably butcher his name, so I'm not going to say it, but he started out with nothing and built an entire empire. All right, now we're going to go check out the wheel loaders. 감사합니다. I even picked up a little bit of Korean while I've been over here. All right, so now we've just entered the factory part where they are actually assembling all of the wheel loaders.
Okay, for the safety issue, we can come until here and then we need to go back up.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
All right. We've reached the safety shoe limit, so we're not going to be able to see the whole wheel loader assembly process. But it looks like it's very similar to the excavators. All the parts and frame go on the AGVs or autonomous ground vehicles, run right down through the assembly line, get put together. I wish our 970 was still that shiny. We got a 940, so evidently they just make all different size models on this line here. There's a 970A. Need a couple of these too, don't we, folks? I tell you what, I really want to give a huge shout out to Hyundai for not only inviting me on this trip, but allowing us to film inside the factory, as well as Ned, National Equipment Dealers. And of course, you guys, because again, I wouldn't have this opportunity without y'all. So thank you. Guys, I surely do appreciate you. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind, and welcome to the future.